have to say what it is. We'll just think we have a gun unboxing.
Yeah, surprise.
But it'll be in the title, probably.
Yeah.
So, just say ICS Galil.
We can do that.
We don't have to.
From Airsoft
ICS
Station.
Galil GRM AEG.
That's a long title.
Blowback with cool steel grip and real wood stuff. And
Dead Barbie dolls, probably. What if they just packed up one day? That'd be cool.
Dead Barbies.
Dead Barbies. Would you like to introduce yourself first, or thrice?
I don't know. Thrice?
Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris and... It's not gonna work. Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris here from Combative Airsoft and... Laffy over here. Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris here from Combative Airsoft.
And Dan.
And we have an unboxing to do for you guys from Airsoft Station. If I walk out of the frame and come back, just keep talking though, okay?
Alright, just same to you.
You just, okay.
We should just do it.
Alright, you should go.
Randomly. Okay. Today we're going to be unboxing the ICS Galil from AirsoftStation.com. If you purchase anything... I just saw a red thing. And it made me laugh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Today we'll be unboxing the ICS Galil from AirsoftStation.com. If you do purchase anything from their website, make sure you use our coupon code CA5OFF for any order over $50 to get yourself $5 off.
Without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight on into this.
I really love the look of this gun. And there's everything that it comes with. So pretty close, they're touching the 9. Just gonna open the box here. Chris really needs to sharpen his knife.
Yeah, I probably should. But I shan't.
But he shan't, he can't, and he won't.
Alright.
Ow. I just
Doing
gave
great.
myself a cardboard cut.
Doing great.
I need purple. I need purple!
That's magenta. Alright, so you guys can probably see what's inside. And we probably already told you, too.
Yeah.
I got this side.
So, whoa, they taped it to it.
Woo, so
Innovative right there.
You guys can see what we got right in front of us. We got the ICS ICAR. I said the wrong name.
It's not a smart car.
So here, guys, we have the ICS ICAR GRM Galil airsoft rifle from AirsoftStation.com.
Imported from Taiwan.
Yes, and we're gonna go ahead and take it out of the box here. Thank you very much. Alright, so box looks pretty nice. It shows 2 different models on the front, one with wood, one without. So let's go ahead. Oh, carrying handle. Those are always nice. Alright.
It is the 94 model too.
Alright.
Checked on the box.
What? So as we open it up, you can see we got a nice little instruction manual right there. Is it in English though? Is it?
English.
Oh, that's... Well, I think I see some. Yeah, I see some English.
It's English.
Alright, so we got some English. And we got a free version of Counter-Strike for Windows 98, so lucky us. But it seems to be like something about the gun, demos, product videos, catalogs from ICS, so you can go ahead and throw that in your computer and learn more.
We also have what's claimed to be competition-grade BBs. This is from ICS. They're a pretty trustworthy company, at least from my experience. And they come in this cool package, so I wouldn't be afraid to use these BBs.
Alright, so we also get a 450 round high capacity magazine, a little windy knobby on the bottom. We also get a cleaning rod, cleaning and jamming rod, and a front sight adjustment tool. And Dan, you want to go ahead and take the gun out of the plastic? I know it might be heavy, but I think you can do it. I have faith. Let's go. You got it. Come on. Woo! Bro, do you even lift? Alright, so here we have the gun itself, the ICS Galil, and
Real wood.
Looks very nice.
That's some good wood.
Ooh, real wood. That is.
Yeah.
I haven't seen that on an airsoft gun. So we got a pretty much full metal construction, other than the wood grip here. Got our retractable stock. We got a carrying handle right there, as you guys can see.
Perfect for carrying through airports.
Which you might not want to do. All right, so as you guys can see, it does come with the foldable or collapsible stock. We have our fire selector here, which is in some kind of alien. Russian, probably,
kind of.
Maybe, or ICSC.
Like the Russian characters always look like little dancing people.
It's probably what it is. And this is Hangman. That's Hangman right there. We do have our metal bolt catch right there, which sounds ooh, that's nice. I like that. Sounds very nice, but it feels pretty heavy. It's not the lightest gun, but it is, once again, all metal, and it does have the real wood. It's not plastic imitation wood, so you're going to be getting a little bit more weight, but you're also going to be getting a little bit more realistic gun. The carrying handle on top does feel like it is plastic, but it feels very sturdy. And Dan is now discovering that it does come with a bipod built in. Let's go ahead and sit that down. And it looks very nice. Is that bipod metal, Dan?
It is.
Oh, very nice. So
it is, Regis.
Pretty much full metal construction, other than the carrying handle, which seems to be plastic, and the wooden grip. Some other minor parts may be plastic, like some of the sights. But all around, it feels like a very sturdy gun, very sturdy construction. We have the rear sight back here, which flips between two different settings, long range and short. Feels very, very nice in the hand. Alright, so let's go ahead and load the mag in here and see how it looks. Ooh, that mag loads really smoothly. And you guys can see how it doesn't touch the ground. The mag, when it is using the bipod, it just barely doesn't touch. So this gun feels very, very nice. It looks very nice.
The manual it comes with is very in-depth and helpful. That's how I discovered that it had the bipod attachment. And gives a full breakdown, you know, cleaning, maintenance, all the basic stuff. But it's very useful, so I'd keep that one around.
So this gun also does have a Magic key switch on the back. So in case you want to put it up into safety or bring it down with your fingers, you could do that as well.
I just checked in the manual. It is actually called the Magic key switch.
So yeah, it is ambidextrous all around.
This is called the trigger.
It is ambidextrous. We do have the ambidextrous fire selector here on this opposite side. So whatever you are, you can use this gun. So once again, this is the ICS ICAR GRM Galil airsoft rifle with
bayonet attachment
from Airsoft Station. You guys can be expecting a shooting test and review very soon. We're actually going to do a shooting test right now with this gun, charge up a battery before we got it. It does not come with a It does not come with a battery, as you can see, but we went ahead and charged it up ahead of time. Crayon adjuster. But yeah, be on the lookout for a review and shooting test of this gun.
Make sure you check out the 30K giveaway video if you haven't. We are giving away a G&G something 16 gas blowback rifle. It's pretty sick. It's possible it's that. And chronograph, so make sure you check out that video. Link will be somewhere up hither. Swerve!